This is gonna blow your mind. You can make fresh sesame oil at home. Today we're diving into the world of cold-pressed sesame oil. This method uses mechanical pressure to extract oil without heat or chemicals, keeping all the nutrients intact. First, gather your materials. A cold press machine, high-quality sesame seeds, a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth, and a glass or stainless steel container. Step 1. Prepare your sesame seeds. Sort through them to remove any debris. If you like, gently clean the seeds with a dry cloth. Next, set up your cold press machine according to the instructions, making sure it operates below 120 degrees Fahrenheit to keep it cold pressed. Now feed the sesame seeds into the machine. Let the mechanical pressure do its magic, extracting the oil while separating the seed cake. Collect the oil as it flows into your container. The leftover seed cake can be used as animal feed or compost. Then, filter the oil using a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth to remove any particles. Repeat if necessary for clearer oil. Finally, store your oil in a clean, airtight container and keep it in a cool, dark place. And there you have it. Fresh, homemade, cold-pressed sesame oil. Happy New Year 2025 to all my subscribers. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and share. See you next time.